welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the newly launched Lakme lipsticks. These are the Lakme Absolute range and I guess they have launched it in 15 new colors, but I've got 3 of them with me. So this is what the lipsticks look like. The packaging is this black cover and inside it's this gorgeous gold metallic kind of a body which looks super classy in my opinion. The presentation of these lipsticks screams elegance to me because these are the Lakme Absolute range, which is like the highest range from the house of Lakme, and these retail for 750 rupees for 3.5 gram of product. So these have a click sort of opening. When you roll the lipstick, you know it's completely inside and secure, which are like the smallest of the details that matter a lot. It has a fairly well sized bullet, and also because this lip range has argan oil infused in it, that makes it more special and easy to glide onto your lips, which brings me to its formulation. Now because of the Moroccan argan oil, the formulation of these lipsticks is very soft and silky, something which will sure as hell make your lips look plump, healthy and well nourished. The pigmentation however is a little light on the first glide, but it's a good thing that it's buildable without making your lips look clumpy or unflattering. Also, apart from the creative names to these lipsticks, these smell incredibly delicious. Like if they were edible, I would eat them. Now coming to the swatches, like I said, I have these 3 lip shades with me. The first one is this shade 07 Buttery Caramel. This is a very beautiful soft brown type of a color, will act as the perfect nude for medium to darker skin tones. For the ones with lighter skin tone than mine, it will look like a very cute toffee or chocolatey kind of a color. Also, I love it that Lakme has introduced like the perfect nudes considering the Indian skin tones in mind. Then the next shade that I have, which I'm wearing right now, is this 08 Drenched Red. This color, I am so in love with this color because it is not your typical red color. It has pink undertones to it, which is what makes it a fun and young color. It would flatter all skin tones, but however, if you have pigmented lips, you might want to dab on some compact to neutralize the pigmentation and then apply it. It will look fabulous. Lastly, I have this shade 09 Soaked Berries, which is the most unique color of the lot. It is a very beautiful plum color and the satin finish makes it look so stunning on the lips. This will again flatter all Indian skin tones. I think medium to darker skin tones will enjoy this shade a little too much, and for the people who are fairer than my skin tone, this will be that sort of a statement color that will turn heads and bring you lots and lots of compliments. To sum it up, the new Lakme Absolute range is rich, soft and nourishing because of the infused argan oil. The intense color makes your lips look healthy and plump. The color range is quite good and you have a lot of variety to choose from. They smell divine and stay for a fairly good amount of time. I love the royal packaging, and if you want a lipstick with all these amazing qualities, then you must give these a try for some lip loving. So that's it for today's video guys. Do hit the like button and comment down below to tell me your suggestions or thoughts on these lipsticks and whether I should do more reviews like this or not. And yeah, subscribe to this channel for more fashion, beauty and haul videos every Monday, and I'll see you next time. Bye!